Hello and welcome back, and welcome to a review of two coins, exactly the same coin. One is a blue card from Westminster / Change Checker, and the other one is the Royal Mint Bone Pack. They are £5 coins. On the reverse of both we have His Majesty Charles III. These are 2024 coins, and they are the Tudor Dragon series, Tudor Dragon from the Tudor Beast series. So I'm just going to put the blue card to one side because we won't need that for the rest of this video. The first part, if you wish to read this text, please do so. You may need to zoom in a little bit and also to pause the video. First thing is about the Tudor Dragon, and there you have a the stone version of it that can be seen at Hampton Court. The second part, there you got the base court, it says, and it's all to do with the Tudor Rose. Again, please, now that's fully in, please pause the video and to see that part. We've then got the Legends of the Kings, which is some information about the area in which it is held in. We then have the next one here, which is probably the most legible without having to blow it up, and called the Powerful Royal Beast, which is the Tudor Dragon. Now this originated from Henry VII's father, Owen Tudor, who had on his particular battle standard and whatever the Dragon of Wales, and that became part of both Henry VII and Henry VIII's coat of arms, and also their own personal coats of arms. We then have what they call the autonomy of the dragon itself, and you have keys A to E. You got A, B, C, D and E, talking about the different versions of the dragon. Now, the dragon, as I said, was Henry VII's father's coat of arms, Owen Tudor. The portcullis that you see there is Beaufort. This is a Beaufort portcullis. You see this with a crown on it sometimes, which was on the 1p. But the portcullis was a Beaufort, part of the Beaufort coat of arms prior to Henry, along 100 years or more prior to Henry. And it was his mother, it's his grandmother, Henry VIII's grandmother, Margaret Beaufort, who was Henry VII's mother, who brought the coat of arms into the royal fold, so to speak. You also then have a write-up of the house of the Tudor dynasty, which includes Hampton Court and all the rest of them. Then you have a little about the Tudor Dragon itself, and then the specifications. So let's now concentrate on the coin. Here you go, here's the coin itself. If you look at the coin, you have around the top Tudor Dragon. Then at the bottom you have the 2024, which is the year of issue. You then have the dragon wrapped around the Beaufort portcullis coat of arms. Its wings are folded in, and its tail comes round, or its feet come round, should I say, and goes underneath the Beaufort portcullis. This is one of the plainer designs, I think, most straightforward designs of this Tudor Beast series. A lot of the Tudor Beasts are ones that we see in the Queen's, that we saw earlier on in the Queen's Beasts, although the depictions are slightly different on this Tudor Beast set to what they were on the Queen's Beast set. The Queen's Beast set was designed by Jodie Clark, who did the Queen Elizabeth V portrait, and this, I believe, is Martin Jenkins is the rear designer. Sorry, the verse designer is David Lawrence. Martin Jenkins is the obverse designer, which is the Charles portrait. Although Martin Jenkins has done ones in this series, I believe. So, let's just bring this up a bit and take it the other way. There we go. This is the latest of the Tudor Beasts, the Tudor Dragon. If you enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you have not yet done so, could you think about subscribing to the channel? Neither of these will cost you any money, and both will help me out. Give me the thumbs up will help with the algorithm that allows my videos to be put in front of people who've not seen them before in their lists of possible things to watch. I am trying to increase my subscriber number again this year. I'm currently on, I think it's 289, and we're around about the 10th of March. I'm looking to try and get to 425 by Christmas, by New Year. To do this, I will need your help, and hopefully, if you believe I deserve it, and only if you think I deserve it, will you please subscribe to the channel. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you so much for staying to the end, and from me, thank you and bye-bye. Ta-da now.